everyone and welcome from Kerala. So guys, finally I am back on the road after some time, and right now I am in Vattavada of Idukki district, which is like 44 kilometers away from Munnar, and it's a small village. It is looking really nice. Some bike is coming. So this is Vattavada village of Kerala. It's a small village, and this village is known for organic farming. They have organic strawberries farm, carrot, then beetroot. Oh nice. See how peaceful it is and how clean and green. So nice. After so long, my eyes are seeing something incredible. Finally, I'm in nature. You can see there's small houses. That also looks very nice. Top. So guys, finally I'm so excited and it is so nice to be here. Now I'm gonna have my breakfast. Finally so happy. You can see that art that is called kolam. I thought it's rangoli, but that is called kolam.
എന്തെങ്കിലും സഹകരണം ഈ അന്വേഷണവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എന്നാണ് ഈ ഘട്ടം വരെ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അപകടത്തിൽപ്പെട്ട മരിച്ചവരുടെ ചികിത്സയിലുള്ളവരുടെ നീന്തി രക്ഷപ്പെട്ട അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യഘട്ടത്തിന്റെ തിരുവരങ്ങാടി താലൂക്ക് ആശുപത്രിയിലായിരുന്നു അവസാനം പോസ്റ്റ്മോർട്ടം നടപടികൾ. 8 പേരുടെ പോസ്റ്റ്മോർട്ടം അവിടെ നടന്നു. 8 പേരുടെ മൃതദേഹങ്ങൾ കൈമാറി. 12 പേർ മരിച്ച കുന്നുമ്മൽ വീട് പുതിയ കടപ്പുറത്തെ 12 പേർക്ക് വിട നൽകാൻ ആ കുന്നുമ്മൽ വീടും പരിസരവും തയ്യാറെടുക്കുകയാണ്. എത്രത്തോളം ദുഃഖാർത്തരായ നാട്ടുകാർ. സീതലവിയുടെയും സീതലവിയുടെ സഹോദരി മക്കളുണ്ട്, അതുപോലെ സഹോദരന്റെ മക്കളുണ്ട്, സീതലവിയുടെ ഭാര്യയും മക്കളുമുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ 12 പേരാണ് ഒരു കുടുംബത്തിൽ നിന്ന് നഷ്ടമായത്. ഉല്ലാസം.
So I'm done with my breakfast. And yeah, every day is a new experience. In one plate only I got my dosa was floating in curry and chutney. That was something new for me. I thought I'll get in bowl. Hi. But this is what backpacking is. You get to experience new things every day. I have to watch my steps now because I have a habit of falling down wherever I go. Finally I'm on the road. So guys, now I'm gonna enter organic strawberry farm Vattavada and see. Actually yesterday I saw strawberries are not ready yet, but still I'm gonna show you. I have to watch my steps. in strawberry farm. Welcome. You can see organic farm everywhere. This is beans. I don't know which beans, but this is beans, and that is beetroot. Now we have to go down more. That is wild cabbage. This you can see carrot, organic carrot. Oh hi! And these all are strawberries, you can see. Strawberries, they are not ready to eat. So guys, he is the owner of this organic farm, Vijay Anna, right? Hmm. You want to say anything about your farm? Say in Tamil only. Tamil, Malayalam, no problem. People will understand.
Organic vegetables,
Mm-hmm.
organic fruits, organic strawberry available.
Okay. So guys, if you are interested, if you want to visit this farm, if you want to learn about organic farming, I'll share his contact number, address, location, everything in my video description. You can check that out. You can get in touch with him and you can come here. See.
Very blissful.
So guys, I'm also going to help Vijay Anna. Little bit. It's already done just for fun. I'm doing it. So nice. They have got organic farm. Don't forget to visit this place. It's very like offbeat. It's only 1.5 hour away from Munnar. So nice. Guys, look at the beauty. How beautiful it is looking. So guys, now I'm going to taste organic strawberry jam,
Homemade.
homemade. I'm tasting sweet things. It's very tasty. It's very very sweet. Super Anna. Now this
250 gram.
250-gram bottles. How much?
150.
150 rupees. You will get in 250-gram bottle of strawberry jam organic homemade in 150 rupees. Nice. Very wine I'm gonna taste. There is no alcohol in this and it can stay for 15 days. Yesterday I tasted, but again I'm gonna taste for you guys. Everything is homemade, organic, pure. Only little bit. This is my second time. It looks like this. You can see. Uh, if you want to try, you can come here and try strawberry. Mine.
Violet cabbage.
Wild cabbage. This is wild cabbage. Looks like this. It has got a beetroot color. So much iron, no, from this. Good for hemoglobin patient, anemia patient.
Yes.
How much for that?
How much that is?
3 piece, 100 rupees.
Oh,
Oh, so
This
cheap,
is
so
like-
cheap.
this is not cheap. 3 pieces 100 rupees. It's organic, that's why it's expensive. Nice. Passion fruit, that is. Bye. Bye. It's so nice to meet them. Bye. Go. So guys, it was really nice to visit this organic farm. We are living now, and I will show you something else. So nice. See the surroundings. Where I'm going? Wrong way. So nice, it is looking so scenic. I will highly recommend you to visit Vattavada whenever you are in Munnar. See, so peaceful here, like it's 10:30 or 11, but it looks like 2 or 3 p.m. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of Vattavada and its organic farms. You know, Vattavada is only for one day. One day is enough to explore this little area, this village, far from pollution and everything. So I hope you enjoyed my first vlog of Kerala. With that, I'm going to end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.